welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today, guys, I am unboxing my Boxy Charm Luxe box. It came in this weekend, and guys, this box is a quarterly box with Boxy Charm, and it has a mixture of skincare and beauty products. You get 8 full-size products in here, and the box is valued at around, I guess, $340. I do believe they let you choose 2 of the products that come in this box. And then if you normally get your Boxy Charm regular box, you don't get it this month because you're getting your Luxe box. So it's $59 every quarter for this box, and this is the summer box that we have here for June 2022. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you enjoy content that involves beauty, skincare, makeup, and Luxe hauls, this is the channel for you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and you will be up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, without any further delay, let's get into our Luxe box. Let me open this thing up. So this is how she comes. This is your sneak peek. So guys, we do get a card with our Luxe box, and it does say what box number we receive here. You can have various different variations of the Luxe box, so not everybody's getting the exact same box with the exact same product, so the code will tell you what variation you have in your box. On the back of our card here, we also have information about every product that is in our box and how much they're valued at. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the first product I'm pulling out my box, we have a Elemis product. So this is the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out of the box here so we can see what it looks like outside the packaging. And guys, it says this product deeply cleanses pores and reduces the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. It's specifically formulated for oily to blemish prone skin. That sounds like me. And that it's non-drying formula infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and improve your daily impurities. This has a $49 value. Guys, I love Elemis products. If you have not used any of their products, I definitely would urge you to try their products, especially if you enjoy skincare like me. They make really good products, so this should be good for me. I enjoy all their other stuff, so I'm looking forward to trying out this clay wash here. So that sounds good to me. So let's hit the next product out of the box. So the next thing we have, I have a Keys product, Alicia Keys, one of her brand's products. So the Keys Soul Care. This is going to be the Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. Oh, okay. So I am slowly building a whole collection of the Keys products between Boxy Charm and that AIA box I have. Like, I slowly have a collection of the Keys products. So, and it seems like every time I get a new one, it's adding on to something that was already missing from the collection. So I will have a full collection, I'm sure, by the end of the year with the Keys Soul Care products. So I did enjoy using her brand, and I'm looking forward to trying this out. I enjoy Alicia Keys, and I liked her products, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out. This one, guys, has a value of $26, and it says it's a hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum. Oh, so it does 2 jobs. Okay, that sounds good. And it reveals a healthy golden glow while helping to bright, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. So $28 value. Let me pop it out of here so we can see it out of the box. And guys, this is how the product looks outside of the box. So I can't wait to try it. I like her stuff, so that's fun. Let me go on to our next product. So what else do I have? Oh, I have a Dew of the Gods product. I think this might be my second product with them. So they're pretty relatively new to me. I know this year I've been seeing their products come in our boxes. So this one here is, guys, the Collagen with Vitamin Mask. And it has a $42 value. And they already have it like in a plastic wrap. I'm not even going to bother to take it out because I'm not exactly ready to use this yet, and it may help it stay the product last a little bit longer without me opening it. So this product is a vitamin cocktail, is what it says. Vitamin cocktail, anyone. That Fiji glow really hits different. It's rich, luxurious, and thick, electric Kaolin infused with vegan collagen, vitamin C, and some other extracts that brighten and tone your skin while restoring its natural bounce. So again, this is a $42 value product. And how many ounces is this? Does it say? This looks like a rather big jar that we have here. Oh, it lasts until December of 24, so I got some time. So this is a 3.5 ounce size product here. So can't wait to try that out on spa day. So let me move right along to our next product. So our next product here, we have, it says SMI, I'm assuming it's SMI Institute. I could be wrong, or SMI Institute. This is their product, exfoliating glycolic acid pads. Now, I love glycolic acid. So if you're trying to brighten up your skin, make your skin pop, man, glycolic acid is your friend. So just saying this glycolic acid, I'm already excited to try this. So guys, these pads here, you get, I think 50 of them come in here. Yeah, I think it's, 50 treatment pads come in here. And it says, gently exfoliate and treat your skin, taking it to a whole new level. Transport by MDS or MD5, I'm sorry. Features a saturated cotton pad designed to improve skin texture, clarity, and has an 8% buffer of AHA to exfoliate the dead skin cells. This has a $65 value, guys. So I can't wait to use these glycolic pads because I'm actually out of glycolic pads. So this came at the right time. So I can't wait to try these out. So guys, let's hit our next product. So the next thing I have, this is a Patrick Ta product, and I have a Major Glow Up Lip Shine that is valued at $22. And it says this is a universally flattering high shine lip gloss. Oh, I love a good lip gloss. Let's see what this looks like. Look, oh, this is pretty. Look at this, guys. This is pretty. That should be nice. I can't wait to try this one out. This will be fun. Oh, wow. And it has like the shimmers, the iridescent shimmers. This would be nice to put on top of your lipstick. So I can't wait to try this one out. And this is by Patrick Ta. So let's see what else is in our box. I'm down to the last two things in here. So here we go. Alright guys, so the next product I have an iconic London product in here. And this is a sheer blush. And it is in the color Rose Riot. That is an interesting name. This has a $27 value, guys. It says it's formulated with a unique gel to water color texture. It's blendable brush that melts right into your skin and gives you a soft lit from within flush. So guys, this is where our color looks like outside of the packaging. It is a really blushy color too. I'm kind of curious to how it looks. I'm going to take it. It looks very pigmented in here. Let me just take a dot and see how this comes out. So this is the color here, guys. I hope you guys can see that. I didn't want to take too much and then have a big mess. Let's see if it blends out pretty good on me. I'm always curious about these liquid blushes, like if they work and stuff like that, like if it's really going to be a good match. Oh, it is like a light hue of color, very light. So I would have to build on that a lot, but it looks like it's almost disappeared into my skin. So I would need quite a bit of that to kind of work in to make it pop. I'm gonna try a bigger drop this time just to see if we can build anything on this thing. Yeah, I mean, it's lightly there, but it really blended right into my skin. It's a very, very light spot there, so I don't know how this is going to work out for me. I'll try it, but it doesn't seem like this is going to show up too well on my skin tone, so we'll see. We'll see. So guys, this product again has a $27 value for this unique gel watercolor sheer blush. So buy it. That's Iconic London. So guys, the next product I'm showing you is a NARS product. We like NARS. So we have a lipstick. This is the Iconic lipstick. It's valued at $28. Oh, $26, my fault. And it says no rules, just lips. This is a new formula with dynamic blend of moringa, passion fruit, seed oils to enhance color, vibrancy, and it conditions the lips for a radically lightweight wear. So let's check out what color I have. I have a red lipstick called Bad Reputation. Ooh, girl, speak to me. So this is how it looks outside of the packaging. And let's pop off the thing here and look at the color. Oh, look at this one. This is really, really pretty. Oh, really nice. A nice pop of red. Wow. Bad Reputation. That is really sharp. Child. You put this on, look. You mean business. You're not playing around. You got your reds on. You ready to work. So I think this is going to be so much fun trying this one out. I do love reds that are really bright like this. So this is really, really, really nice. I think this will look really good against my skin. It'll really make me pop. So see, make me pop. It's the right color. So that is the NARS lipstick, guys. That is valued at, what did we say this was? $26. So that'll be fun to definitely be playing around with. So if y'all see me on here, my lips is popping, you know why. So guys, we got one more product in this box that I'm going to show you guys. I know you're tired of my foolery. Let's see. We have a Rare Beauty product. This is probably my first Rare Beauty item. I don't think I have anything by this brand. So guys, I have the Rare Beauty Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, and it is valued at $29. And it says it's inspired by Selena's playful side. These berry and rose color shades celebrate that ever-changing colors that we reflect every day. So they discover easy to wear combos. This is how it looks outside of the box, guys. And it says it has 7 rich buttery shades and a range of finishes from mattes to dual chromes, and plus a 3D glitter top coat for center shades to add a shimmering dimension to any look. So let's take a look. So guys, when I open it, this is what I have. And oh yeah, they have the mirror. I'm gonna just leave it on so you guys can not be blinded by the light. But we have these 6 shades here. They're very nice colors. Very pretty. So you can do a lot with this, I think. So they're kind of weird. The shape of them is very strange. Like, are you getting a lot in here? Maybe you're getting a lot. I guess they made the shapes a little like crescent moons. So it looks like it'll be fun to try out and have a little fun with. I haven't used this before. If you guys have used the Rare Beauty this Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, let me know how this works out for you. And if you really liked it and thought that they really like had lasting shades. But I like the uniqueness of the palette and how it's designed, so I can't wait to play around with these eyeshadow looks and see how this works. This will be my first time using this product. So guys, let's wrap this thing up, everything we got. So we got 8 products. We have a very, very half and half, I would say, mixture with makeup. I count a blush here. We have a lipstick. We have a lip gloss. We have an eyeshadow palette, so that's 4. So we got half and half. So, and on the skincare side, we have the Elemis, we have the Keys Soul Care, we have a clay, and we have the glycolic pad. So we have a half and half box with half skincare, half makeup. I would have to say I'm pretty pleased with this box. I'm really feeling this NARS lipstick, child, and the Rare Beauty eyeshadow. I really can't wait to try those out. That is calling me right now. What did I drop on the floor? Oh yeah, and this lip gloss that I dropped on the floor by Patrick Ta. It wasn't open. It wasn't open. Okay. This, I really can't wait to try out these 3 things on the makeup side. On the skincare side, I am hyped about the Keys Soul Care Serum, the Clay of the Gods, and these glycolic pads. So for me, this was a really good box because I am a skincare junkie. So this is me. And then y'all gave me some makeup to be playing in too. So I am overall happy with the Luxe box. I'm really feeling it. I think it was good. It was evenly mixed, which we don't get too often. Sometimes we get boxes that are more skincare, which is fine by me, but I know the rest of you don't care for all of that. Like, some of us are skincare junkies, some of us are not. So I completely understand that, but I thought it was a good mixture of the box. So guys, let me know what you thought about the products that I got in this month's box. Are we box twins? Did you get something different from me? If you did, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you received in your box. If you enjoyed this content, my friends, please hit that like and subscribe button. It is free to hit that. It does help my little small channel here on YouTube grow, and my content can be reached by other people who are just like you and enjoy things of beauty as well as skincare. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye.